Today we are going to learn image processing using MATLAB. Uh, in image processing toolbox, we have a collection of functions that can help us to do image related computing activities. Now here we have series of M files, series of MATLAB statements. Okay. Now in image processing toolbox, we have the following activities that we are going to learn today. So neighborhood operation, block operations, linear filtering, filter design, transforms, image analysis and enhancement, binary image operations, region of interest operations. Now if I want to read an image, I must write I am read with the file name, okay, and then it will return a matrix containing the detail of each pixel value into this, okay, the variable I. Now if I want to show, we can simply use the method I am show. Now if I want to write an image into our system, so I can use the function I am write by passing that matrix I with the file name and then the format specification, the type of image that you want to support. Now if I can think about the different type of images, we have four different types of supporting image by MATLAB. Now here is this, the first one is the indexed image, and then the intensity image, and then the binary image, and then the RGB image. Now in indexed image, we have two arrays. One is the image matrix, another is the color map. And here if I want to just for an example, if I have this is the index and this is the color map. Now see, if I want to see this particular portion, so we have this index map, and then from there the index map is matched with this particular color map. This is RGB. Okay, now come with the intensity image. Again, if this is, if I want to see this, so in an intensity image the value of each pixel is between 0 and 1, or may be considered as between 0 to 255. So this location is basically containing, these are the pixel values. For each pixel value, the value is lying between 0 and 1. So 0 is the black and 1 is the white, and all other values in between. So it is a grayscale image basically. Now binary image, so here we have in binary image each pixel assumes either two values, discrete values, either 0 or 1. So 0 or 1. So here also we are showing the same thing. So this is a binary image where the values are either 0 or 1. So when it is 1, so it is basically a white, or when it is 0, it is basically a black. Now RGB image, again in the grayscale image we have one level, and in RGB we have three different levels: red, green and blue intensities. Okay, now see, if we can see this, if this is a color image, so in color image we have every pixel is being represented by three different values: one value in red, one value in green, one value in blue. So this is an RGB image. Now if I want to write an image, we can apply the concept of I am write as already discussed. Okay, now sometimes we need to convert one image to another to perform different type of mathematical activities. So as you know already that the MATLAB supports different types of images, so we need to use uh, different type of conversion rules. So here is the first one is dither, which basically converts a binary from a grayscale image. Okay, and similarly we have gray to int, gray slice, I am to BW in among them. So I am gray to int is basically index from grayscale. Gray to slice it helped us to convert from index from grayscale. Okay. Similarly, M to BW helps us to perform an operation from binary from intensity. Okay, so I think this would be a very helpful to all of you. So ind to gray, ind to RGB, mat to gray, RGB to gray, RGB to ind. All are again the different type of conversion functions readily available in MATLAB. So you can apply these all methods, okay, whenever you in need. So if you think about the coordinate system in an image processing system, so we have two approaches. One is the pixel coordinate, another is the spatial coordinate. In pixel coordinate system, we are starting in the left of corner with the value 1 1. Okay, and then the column again we go to 1 2 3 4 in that way. In the row again 1 2 3 4 in that way. But in case of spatial coordinates, we are starting with zero point 0.5, zero point 0.5, then 1, then 1.5, then 2, then 2.5 in that way. Again in 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5 in that way in spatial coordinate system. So in pixel coordinates, the upper left corner of an image is 1 1. In the spatial coordinate, that becomes 0.5, 0.5. Okay, the difference is due to the pixel coordinate system being discrete while the spatial coordinate system is continuous. Now, if we think about the different type of image formats that the MATLAB supports, so we have BMP, GIF, HDF, JPEG, PCX, PNG, TIFF, XWD, and all other different types of image formats. Now, when we talk about programming languages like MATLAB, so we have a various type of data types. Okay, among them, most interesting are unsigned integers and signed integers. So we have a unsigned 8, unsigned 16, uint 32, int 8. This one is a signed integer. Okay, you know already what is signed and unsigned integer. In unsigned integer, we don't have any negative values, whereas in signed integer we have both negative as well as positive values. Okay, we have also the other precision values. Now, if I want to read an image, so I am reading this image by I equals to I am read cell.png. Okay, see, this is what I read, and then I am showing this image. Now if I want to show, this is 490 479 by 600 image. Okay, and by 3 means it is an RGB image, so it has the 3 layers. One is R, another is G, the third one is B. Now I am converting, as we have already in the last slide we have seen, we can apply RGB to gray to convert it into the grayscale image. So see, this one is the grayscale image. Now you can save this image by writing IRG. This is the matrix where the grayscale data is being saved, and this is the name of the file, and this is the format where it is being saved. So I think you can understand, this is very easy. Okay, now we can also use the concept of image sc, then I am tool, then image. These are all again methods that you can apply. Okay, now we can create images from matrix also. So just like this one, we can create a matrix. Okay, and then from that I can create an image as well. Okay, so we can use zeros, we can use ones. Okay, and can use discrete values as well to create a matrix. Okay, now these are again the same thing, you know already. So this is very fundamental concepts of MATLAB. Okay, so you can create and manipulate the different pixel values whenever you need. Now image arithmetic is one of the tasks that we usually perform. So we can do some mathematical operations just like multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Okay, as we see this one. Okay, now you can also apply the element wise operation as well by applying the dot star operations. So if you can if you want to display, we have already discussed, but if you have an indexed image, so you have to show by writing I am show x and then the map. Okay, and if you want a grayscale image, so I am show I sufficient. Binary image also I am show bw, where bw should be a binary image, and similarly I am show rgb is again an rgb image. Now sometime we need to resize the image. Okay, so here I equals to I am read, and then we are reading this